A very good afternoon to you all, my dear students. So, after many days, I am returning to your class, and today I am going to explain about the language policy. And language policy is the second test for Indian Federation. In my earlier classes, linguistic states, the first test for federation explanation was finished, and that means states were created on the basis of language and they were called the linguistic states. And today, language policy. What is the language policy of India? Today I am going to explain about that, and that means in India there should not be any discrimination on the basis of language. Okay, our constitution did not give the status of national language to any one language. Although Hindi was identified as official language, but other languages are also protected by the Constitution of India. Okay, because Hindi was identified as the official language, but Hindi is the mother tongue of only 40% of the people, and that's why other languages, other 21 languages are also recognized as the civil language by the Constitution of India. Total in India there are 22 that recognized language in our country. Okay, for example, if any candidate wants to give examination for the central government position, then he may opt to take the examination in any of these languages, any of these 22 languages. Okay, so the states to have also their own official languages. States bilakoro nijor official language thakibo pare thake, and much of the government work for that particular states can take place in the official language of that concerned state. সেই ষ্টেটখনৰ অফিচিয়েল লেংগুৱেজটো যিটো আছে সেইটোৰ দ্বাৰাই বেছি গভৰ্ণমেণ্টেল ৱৰ্কছবিলাক কামবিলাক কৰা হয়. অ'কে, so that is only the language policy of India, and it is called the second test for Indian Federation. Okay, all the languages are given the equal status, and there should not be any discrimination on the basis of language. Okay, our Constitution of India in 1965, our Constitution of India stopped the use of English for official purposes, because English is the foreign language. Okay, that's why the Constitution of India stopped the use of English for the official purposes. But after that, many disputes arose. That means for non-Hindi speaking states, they demanded the use of English. Okay, that the use of English should continue, and therefore the central government responded by agreeing to continue the use of English along with the Hindi for official purposes. Okay, that means for official purposes along with Hindi, English is also being used in our country. So that is language policy.